Hello, fans. I'm the PC Expert Amateur, and we're going to take a look at another big surprise, or rather, a big fan. This is the second of the two Zigmatechs that I bought. It is the Crystal Cooling System CLF Series 170 millimeter CLF-F1705. And it does come with a adapter for the power supply. It is only a 2-pin, so it will run the fan at full speed. It also comes with both fan bolts and rubber pins. The cable for it is minimalistic, 3-pin connector. The fan blades, just like on that XLF, have some serration at the ends of the blades. I don't know if you can actually see that or not. Let's get ready to rotate. Do you like that, or would you prefer me to say it differently, or say something else, or say nothing at all? Let me know in the comments. And as you can see, it's got purple LEDs. And that's about as slow as it's going to go. Silence. I can hear a little bit of friction. There's a little bit of a noise. Very, very quiet. That's one of the nice things about large fans is they tend to be very, very quiet. Unfortunately, as with the XLF one that I just reviewed, this one has very, very minimal static pressure. Let's see if I can show you without dropping it again. So basically, it's just right there. So that's like, what, 0.2 or something crazy like that. Yeah, so again, as with the other one, this is something that you could use on an intake on the front or side of a fan case. Or sorry, not a fan case, a PC case. If it's got just a very simple dust filter on it that isn't going to impede the airflow because the static pressure is so low. Otherwise, you'd have to use it for exhaust. So, ultimately, nicer to look at than to use. Ow. Yeah, that hurt. And, naturally, you're not going to want to use this for an air or water cooler. Let's look at the specs. The Zigmatech Crystal Cooling System CLF Series CLF-F1705 Purple C-CFS. I have trouble with that. CSFDS-PU1, model number A1720L, and then it's, what is that, :12S? That sounds weird. Anyways, it's the $13 fan. I don't know why it was $2 cheaper than the previous one. They're basically identical, except for color. And they're made in China, 170 by 20 millimeters, which is, again, part of why the static pressure is so low. 30,000 hours of life, which is pretty darned low. 4 purple LEDs, 130 grams of weight, 11 blades, 125 millimeter and 133 millimeter mounting holes, 800 RPM, 63 CFMs of airflow. Again, I'd say that the static pressure is like a 0.2, less than 18 decibels of noise. I would say it may even be less than that, honestly. I think this is a little bit too high. 52 centimeter long fan cable, no daisy chain, no sleeving, 3-pin DC connector, Sleeve bearings, 12 volts starting at 9 volts, 2.4 watts, 0.2 amps. And then, ooh, that was way far. Way too far. I did not expect that. Oh my God. I didn't. Sorry about that, guys. I just totally overshot the mark there. Right. So the end is no indicators of direction of rotation and flow, but it turns in a clockwise direction. 4 screws, 4 rubber pins, and then the 2-pin to Molex D power supply adapter. Thank you to Grindler, aka Lawrence Abrams, who is the owner of Bleeping Computer, for consenting to allow me to put my results in text form on Bleeping Computer's forums, as well as linking to my videos. Please visit Bleeping Computer, support them, make use of them. They're a valuable resource that's been around for 20 years, and they deserve support. They have lots of resources. You can learn about cybersecurity from them. You can get help with malware on your computer. You can get help with all kinds of stuff. They have a range of volunteers who help people who come there for advice, and they're very knowledgeable people for the most part, and some of them are very, very, very helpful. Old Sod has been very helpful to me over the years that I have asked for input on things, and so thank you to Bleeping Computer. Thank you to the volunteers on Bleeping Computer. Also, thank you to my peers on other tech forums who are so kind as to provide me with input, suggestions, feedback, and so on. I really appreciate it, but my greatest thanks goes out to Bleeping Computer because you are my text home, I guess you could say. All right, thanks also to all my viewers and subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.